Good morning, Sam Bergen here.
Hey guys.
And me, I'm the voice behind the camera.
The voice behind the camera.
So what we're gonna do right quick is we're gonna show you this super awesome stuff that Thrive has put together to make learning how to cook with freeze-dried food so much easier. We've demoed the meal kits before, but now we're gonna show you these chef packs and why you wanna get these, because this will give you a really great education on how to cook with freeze-dried food. It's super easy, you just add water. We're just gonna introduce you to the packs themselves, and then over the course of the next couple of weeks, we'll be cooking each of the different recipes in them. So that's what we're gonna do. So we do the opening, this is what you get.
This is our product unveiling, product opening.
Okay, so will you show the recipe card first? Explain that.
So with each kit, you get a kind of a summary card that shows you all the different recipes. This particular chicken pack has 3 entrees and 2 side dishes, and these are enough for 4 people. So at least 4 people. So if you do the math, that is 12 servings of food, not including the side dishes, and at the price that these kits go for, $105. That's actually more economical than the simple plates, but it's a different product, right? For a different audience. So the simple plate is good for people who want it quick and it's already pre-measured. If you like simple plate and you like the idea of freeze dried, this is kind of the next step for you. And if you want to get more creative, maybe save a little bit of money and make your own recipes. So that's that, and we get each recipe individually.
So you've got the chicken pasta skillet, and this is the Southwestern chicken chef pack. And on the back, just like the simple plate, they're going to show you exactly how to make it. Boom. Tortilla soup with corn and cheddar biscuits. This is my favorite one, chicken fajitas.
These are
Love
good.
These
are really good and quick.
Most favorite, yeah. Hold that up a little bit more. Zesty black beans.
The beans are impressive because, as I understand it, to do beans correctly, you have to soak them and rinse them and all that to make them edible, and Thrive does it all for you in advance.
There's queso dip.
And of course, these are all punched and they have these dividers. So we have I don't know where our recipe book is, but we can put these in our recipe book. So we get a seasoning.
Oh, let's chef's choice.
All right. And then in this particular kit, we get 8 ingredients in pantry-sized cans. So they come with lids, but of course they're all sealed. They have a 25-year shelf life. So that's the gravy, the velouté sauce.
Show them the pop top on these so they understand how easy.
So
boom,
pop top. Once you open it, depending on your climate, you'll get anywhere from a year or more. We usually, in our climate, because we're humid, we'll put these in Ziploc bags and put them back in the can once we've opened them, depending on the ingredient.
So then we have the chicken gravy, and then we have the brown rice. We just pulled out the jalapenos, the green chili peppers. Here are your instant beans. They cook in 20 minutes. Onion slices.
Never chop onions again.
Never chop onions again.
Red bell peppers.
Red bell peppers are amazing.
Corn, if you've ever tried the corn, it's like candy or crack, depending on your
crack corn.
what you want to call it.
Jimmy crack corn.
Right.
And then the chicken slices, that's what these are right there. And so that is what comes in the Southwestern chicken chef pack. All of those for $105. And then the recipes go with it. You make all the recipes using those ingredients, those cans. So everything can be made. $100 for 3 meals, and you're making at least
shipped free.
Some of them make more than 4 servings.
Right. You're gonna have some food left over in these cans,
right?
Because they couldn't get everything, perfect.
Right. So you'll have extra onions and probably extra corn, or definitely extra chili peppers. But then you can use those in other things. And then the great thing with these recipes is that you can save the recipes, and the ones that you really liked, you can actually then go buy the ingredients yourself outside of the chef pack.
You could buy them in a bigger can, in a family can,
right,
and save even more money,
right,
on the per serving cost.
Right. All right, so that was the Southwestern one. Now we're going to show you the ground beef chef pack. right.
So the ground beef recipes, hearty calzone, Italian baked penne, classic shepherd's pie. I've had those really, really good.
That's amazing.
Weeknight tacos, refried beans, and vegetable medley.
So that's 4 entrees and 2 sides.
So there's your calzone.
There you go.
You've actually got a dough mix in there. You're making your own. You're making your own bread.
Yep.
There's your penne, and they do really look like this.
They really do. It turns out really good.
I mean, if
Shepherd's pie.
Lily, my 7-year-old, can make these
Yeah,
dishes.
and I've made this entire pack this is the tacos. I did the whole pack one time in 2 hours just to see how quickly it would go. The whole thing I did 4 entrees.
Look at those vegetables.
4 entrees and 2 sides in 2 hours. I mean, we ate for a long time, so that was a bonus.
So this one comes with Italian seasoning,
Freeze dried herbs.
green beans.
So slow down. These are green beans. And then we have a tomato sauce. I did a video with the girls the other day and they made pizza sauce out of the tomato sauce. So again, you'll have plenty of this sauce left over after the end of this chef pack that you can turn into regular spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce, anything that you want to add that way.
Yeah, remember the point of this is to get you familiar with the ingredients and how
Ground
you use
beef.
them. So you'll start making your own recipes or using these in your existing recipes. There's the dough
There's
mix,
your dough mix right there.
onions again, tomatoes,
Nice tomatoes.
and mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
So these are real mashed potatoes, unlike some of those instant powders that you can buy at
So
Sam's
there's-
Sub or Sam's Club or
Boom.
Costco.
So those are the 2 chef packs. There's one other additional one, the pork. These 2 are my favorite, but if you get all 3 of them, 1 per month, on a regular delivery, which is what most people do, you educate yourself on how to use and cook with freeze-dried food. And then you're as easy an expert as anybody, because it's really just about adding water, using them with what you already have in your existing recipes. I do want to talk about just one right quick. One thing that makes the chef packs really cool is what they do is they actually use things that you already have on hand in your kitchen. So this is the queso dip. And so you would just grab water from your kitchen, spices, cream, things like that you typically already have inside your kitchen. So the chicken fajitas, let's see.
That's right, chicken fajitas.
Yeah. That's my favorite one of all time. They make me happy. So you have the top set of ingredients are your Thrive ingredients, and the bottom set is what you already have in your pantry, and then you're ready to roll. I mean, I'm not kidding you. This particular recipe, the chicken fajitas, it makes up in about 10 minutes. I'm dead not kidding. And so what our goal is that over the next couple weeks, we'll be making each of the recipes in the chef pack to show you how simple they are. I wish you could come over and taste them, but it is what it is. But that's about it. So if you have any other questions, send me a message, leave a comment, and that's about it. Or send Sam a message or a comment. Anyway, thank you and enjoy your day.
Have a
Bye.
good day.